Hi, I'm John Hohenstein. I am the Technical Support Manager for DataPath North America. So we actually were in the middle of planning a move from our small office to a much larger space, and we required a renovation basically of all of the data cabling in the new office, which required about 72 new data ports. A lot of them clustered together, some in wall partitions. Things moved from wall to wall, so it was a lot involved. We were a little over our heads and not knowing what to do, where to go for our data cabling needs. We had reached out to one or two other companies and just wasn't comfortable with our experience to that point. So I Googled and I found BridgeCable. I sent an email that night, probably 7 o'clock at night, and I had a response waiting for me when I got in the office at 7:30 the next morning, ready to go. So I spoke to Paul and we set up an appointment in no time. I met Paul. He came in and just gave me a real comfortable feeling. First meeting with him and just talking through the project, and just made you feel at ease. And I knew pretty soon that we would probably end up doing business with BridgeCable at that point. The process from then was just extremely simple. It was very easy. The communication was phenomenal. And then, of course, the actual installation. Bill was our installer. Couldn't have worked with a nicer guy. He went above and beyond, made sure he got everything, checked all the boxes, and got us completed in an extremely timely manner. I would definitely recommend BridgeCable to any other company who needs cabling. Just the ease to work with them, the flexibility, excellent customer service, and they got the job done. One last thing to say to the BridgeCable team is just a great big thank you. It's been a tremendous pleasure to work with you guys, and I look forward to working with you in the future, because it will come.